my name is Dunaola and I'm the principal of Avalon International School. We are based in Hungary, in Miskolc. From the very beginning, we are using and we decided to use the school diary, as it is called in Europe, Zoomand system, with which, as a principal, totally satisfied. The parents learned to use it very easily and quickly. It's very useful to give all information about the fees, about the timetable, and keep the children registered in the same system. And now, nowadays, we are facing a very challenging time because of the COVID-19 situation. In Hungary, the schools are locked and they've been locked for 6 weeks. So that's our week 6 when we have to solve the online teaching. And thank you and thanks to Zoomand that we can provide and we can keep up teaching and learning for the children through the virtual classroom, which is very important, mostly at the very young age, but even for teenagers as well, to keep them socially connected, to be able to teach just like in the classroom. And the virtual classroom actually can give and provide all that for the children. They can be in the same classrooms, they can work, they can learn, the teachers can share their screen, they can share any documents they want during the lessons. So I can really recommend it to you in this challenging period. That would really keep up learning and teaching in an easy way, because providing less technical devices is actually providing more learning and teaching for a school.